For people, welcome back to the kitchen where calories don't count and diets take a short vacation. Today we are making the king, the legend, the celebrity baked pasta dishes macarona bechamel. Now, if you've ever tasted macarona bechamel, you know it's not just food, it's an experience, it's a warm hug. It's the reason some people go back to the kitchen just to check something and come out with a second plate. So, put your macarona, of course, the pasta, put them in the hot water, boil them on a steady speed, and make sure it's ready. And of course, the pasta you need, of course, like around 500 grams, and two kinds of pasta, the long and the bechamel pasta. Of course, the onion is called for in the kitchen. Slice it, chop it into cubes, and make this happen. While the pasta is doing the thing, let's move to the chicken. Place a pan over medium heat and cook until it becomes soft and tender. At this point, you have to add onions and, of course, spices. Meanwhile, you have to check on the pasta and drain it if it's ready. Give everything a good stir and let these flavors get acquainted. Of course, tomato paste is one of the spices we need. Pepper and your favorite spices. At this point, I know it is difficult. I know you are tempted. I know the aroma is testing your self control, but give it a minute. Trust the process. Look at the beautiful layers when you are going to put it. The creamy bechamel, it's very flavorful, very perfect pasta. This, my friends, is not a meal, it is something else. It is a standing ovation in a baking dish. Imagine, serve it warm with everything very perfect. At this moment, it was just a by the way, at this moment the chicken is ready and it's ready. You have to add the oil and the sliced onions. If you are enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you deserve an applause. I Can I have another piece you want me to try out? Of course, you will put in the comment section because cooking is just amazing. And of course, it is the most feeling of life. My friend, this is not just a meal, so take your time as you prepare all this chicken. Take your good time. And of course, for the cream, you can buy your cream in any supermarket you want. And if you need homemade, it will be in my next video. Don't forget to check it out. And now, this moment, we are going to make the layers. Congratulations, you have just entered the most critical relationship in this recipe, butter and flour. Perfect. Of course, the cheese. Let them bond all together for a minute and mix the chicken with the cream. And remember, don't forget to add some chicken and the mozzarella cheese. It is the master recipe. Watch it slowly cover the pasta like a fluffy blanket on a cold day. Smooth the top nicely, sprinkle more cheese because, of course, we are committed to excellence. Now bake at 180 degrees and for 35 minutes. While it is baking, resist opening the oven every 2 minutes, of course. The pasta is cooking and not attending a meet and a greet. Definitely, we are going to have it. Remove it from the oven when it's golden cut. I know it's difficult. I know you're tempted, but don't open the oven. But give it 10 minutes. Trust the process. The aroma is testing your self-control. Finally, slice it into it and look at the beautiful layers of the cream bechamel. Flavorful chicken, perfect chicken taste, perfect pasta. This is, my friends, is beautiful meal. And when you are slicing it, it's so creamy, so delicious, so yummy, very nice to serve it warm. Sprinkle the mozzarella on top because the more creamy, the more tasty, and the more flavorful. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and if you have enjoyed this recipe, you are definitely a hero. Until next time, stay happy, stay hungry, and remember life is uncertain. But extra cheese is always a good decision. See you in the next video.